So, okay, students, after discussing angle concept, directly we move for 4.3 exercise. What is that 4.3 first question? So, name the angles in the given figure. Obviously, we know the idea about how to name the angles. So, with the help of that diagram, how to name the angles. Angle DAB means this angle will come. DAB, comma, and this angle ABC. Second angle ABC, and don't get confused, just for your convenience just I put a marking about angle. Next one, BCD means third angle. So angle BCD, and last one is what? D angle. What is the, how to write the D angle? CDA. CDA. And one more thing I will tell you, if any ray which not passes through the points, for example, the same figure like that, don't get confused. The same figure like that, if any ray passes through like that, with the help of this figure, you can write directly angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. But with the help of this figure, we can't write angle A. Why? Because here angle A is divided two parts. Which part you are writing? Either here or this one. So that time, how to write this type of angles when this type of diagram came? DAC. Angle DAC indicates what? This part. And angle BAC indicates what? This part. This is not your syllabus, just I will tell you. If there is no any ray passes through the vertex, you can write directly full angle, angle A, B, C, D. If it is the diagram, the vertex, through the vertex, if any line passes through it, don't write like that. You write as it is, DAC and BAC like that. What the idea? Okay, students, the next question is, in the given diagram, name the points. See here, this is the diagram, and some of the points they given on the line, and here between the angles like A and C. Okay, so what are the conditions they given? So in the interior of DOE means, we know that what do you mean by interior. Interior means inside, exterior means outside of the angle. For example, so this is what interior, and this is what exterior. This point A, sorry, this point P lies exterior of this given figure. This point Q lies interior of this given figure. Like that, interior means inside, exterior means outside. On that, on means on the particular line segment. Okay. So what is the first one? In the interior of DOE. First you check it. DOE. So here in this angle DOE, what is the interior point? So here only interior point. This A is a point in the interior angle of DOE. So answer is point A. So what is that? In interior of angle DOE, what is the point lies here? A. Okay. So next question. In the exterior of EOF. So now consider EOF. They asked exterior. This space is called interior. Rest of the space is called exterior. So of here in the figure EOF, this portion is what? This remaining portion is what? Exterior. On that exterior, which point lies? So in the exterior, point C lies. So answer is C. Got the idea? If it is interior, this is interior. That's why first question A. It is exterior of this angle. That's why it coming. It means exterior means outside of the given angle. So the last one is on EOF. On EOF means here this EOF. On means particular lies on particular line. So on EOF, which point lies? B point lies. On EOF, B point lies. So don't get confused. One more question, just I will for the sake of simplicity, means convenient. So this is A, and this is B, and this is C, and this is D. So name the vertex on BCD. Name the vertex on BCD means, name the vertex on BCD means which vertex? Means which point? A is lies on BCD. Like that, on EOF point B lies. Okay. Okay students, the last question on this exercise is draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have 1 point in common, 2 points in common, 3 points in common, 4 points in common, and one ray is common. How to draw the rough diagrams? Just I will show first one A. So what is that? How many angles they want? Two angles. They want two angles and one common point. For example, I will draw like that. This is the point O. I will make this is one ray and this is one ray. Okay. So I will mention the points. This is A, O, B, and this is a C, and this is D. This is one angle and this is one angle. Correct now? What is this angle? Angle AOB and angle DOC. Two angles having a common point O. What is the idea? These two angles having a common point what? O. So write O is the common point. O is the common point of angles. What are those angles? Angle AOB and angle DOC. Got the idea? This O is the common point between for both AOB and COD or DOC. So this is first one finished. So what is the next one? B. What is this B one? 2 points in common. So previous they asked only one. So second one 2 points. So how to draw the 2 points? Very simple. So first I will draw like that. How many points they want? 2 points. This is O, this is B, and this is A, and this is C. So name it angle this one AOB and angle BOC or COB. See, O and B are the common points. O and B are the common points of angles AOB. Here also you will take OB, AOB, and here also you will take COB. So this O and B are what? Common, two common points for both angles AOB and COB. So O and B are two common points. Two common points of angles. What are those angles? AOB and COD. Okay. So next one C. What is this C? 3 points in common, like that. 3 points they want. 3 points are common. If they want the three common points, I will draw like that. So this is A, O, and B. This is a C, and this is a D, and this is a. So here, what they want? 3 points are common. So here third one, 3 points are in common means here how many angles they want? Two angles they want. Here also we got two angles. Here also we got two angles. Here also we got two angles. How many points they want? 3 points. O, C, D are three common points between for both angles AOD and BOD. How many points they want? 3 points. 1, 2, 3. What are those? O, C, D are three common points for both these two angles. So the next one, 4 points in common. As it is same diagram D, here I will draw 4 points in common. So better to draw like that. This is A, this is O, and this is B. Draw one line. So this is a C, this is a D, and this is E. How many points? 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 points between common for both angles AOE and BOE. What are those? O, C, D, E are are four common points. Four common points between what? Between what are those? Angle AOE and angle BOE. What is the idea? So they given two angles here, one angle and two angles. How many points they want? Four angles. Four points. 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Okay. So the last one is what? E. One ray is common. One ray is common. So here I will draw. And how many angles they want? Two angles there. One ray is common. So this is A, this is O, and this is B. I will draw one ray common. So this is C. See, this angle BOC and this angle AOC. These two angles have a common or what? OC. Angle AOC and angle BOC. Angle AOC and BOC having a common arm or common side. Having a common arm. What is that? OC. So that is common arm, you can say common ray. So this is the about third question. Draw one pointer like the 2 points, 3 points, 4 points and as well as one common ray.